I think
You're good.
I think photographs, like actually not just physical, but just in general. I think pictures are like really important to me. Because I'll like have moments where like, oh, I remember when we like went here and like we did this and we took a picture here. But then like that's when I would like go through all the photos I have and yeah, like I always like keep it on me. I mean, we only see like there are so many moments in time where like I wish that I could take pictures with my eyes to keep every single moment. But then again, like you only live like literally YOLO, like you only live once.
What's most precious to me is my family and um, their well-being, for them to be happy. Yeah, and like not have so much hardship and whatnot. It's mainly because it's always been the four of us: my mom, my brother, sister, and then me. And we're not really like close to other family, so it's just always been us. So I think that's why I hold them closer to my heart. I have to appreciate them while I have them right now. Yeah.
Ooh, strong relationships. That's most precious to me.
Can you elaborate more on
It's like when I make a connection with somebody, it can be anything, like my parents, friends, or something. Breaking that connection is something I fear a lot. So just having that one person that you can share different adventures with, I think that's most precious to me. Well, I like giving, so it can be form of like giving gifts. It can be form of anything. So, say with my parents, I want to give back to them a lot. I show that, or I always say I love you. I take care of you. I'm a very open person in expressing affection. So, how do I show it? Is basically through actions. I show it through actions. That's basically most of my identity is who I am and who I surround myself with. So if I didn't have that strong connection, I'd probably just be very invested in my art.
my puppy? It's a Maltese, white Maltese, and he's 5 years old. No, 6 years old. And basically, he has experienced a lot as a puppy, as a dog. If my parents would miss me at home, they would like just randomly take pictures of him. And so he would be like a symbol of affection in that way, you know. And basically, all of my family members share his pictures and videos too. So it would be like one common thing that we all, share and to talk about, and so that way we would, yeah, show affection.